Hello and welcome to a new episode from the Zyxel Support Campus. Today I want to introduce the Multy M1 system. It's a home system working in Wi-Fi 6 with AX1800. It completes your network with a big wireless cell which can service all clients, multimedia and gaming with high speed. Let's have a look what is inside the box.
The device is delivered in an eco-friendly box that consists mainly out of cardboard. The content are two sets of nodes including the device, a power adapter, a wall mount and warranty cards, FCC declaration and the quick start guide. Also you find the LAN cable. On the back side of the device you can connect a wide area network to your internet access device and also 3 LAN ports to any of your high-speed multimedia devices. The power source of the devices is delivered with an EU plug face, so it's not suitable for the UK. We are ready with unpacking. Let's get started to speed up your Wi-Fi.
To install the device you need the Zyxel Multi app, which is available in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Let's have a look how this works.
You can download the application using the QR code on the boxes or in the quick start guide. Connect the device with the wide area network port to your internet access device and the power cord. You can also mount the device with the blades on the wall using the screw holes, plugs and screws. While the device is booting, you can open the app, start the installation by adding a new site or use an existing site. Then you choose the tile showing the Multy M1. The application reminds you to install the device as shown, which we already did. Then you scan the security code to the wireless from the bottom label. Enter the password on the SSID of the device and the connection has been established. Repeat the same steps on the second node. You can also use your computer to install the device on the user graphical interface.
The system is positioned the best way where your clients are available. That means you can put one node in the direction of your television or your gaming console, while the other one is located at your client side. So you can find the best position. Let's have a look at this graphics.
One device is located at your internet access device, the other one can be installed in 15 to 20 meter distance. The Wi-Fi mesh system will create a big wireless cell where all your clients have the optimized speed. The Multi app also allows you to check parental control and other safety settings, and also Alexa supports you to change settings on the Multi installation. For any question about the product, visit us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help desk documents and the contact to the support team. I also remind you to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes.
We are done with our episode. Thank you very much. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our new episodes. Also, you can follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.